From a Dan B, everything Chris. Make sure you no miss this. Laugh and have a good time. All our vibes. I did Dan B this. Dan B share happiness. Or we can discuss serious topics. Like, comment, subscribe. All our vibes. You need it. It's the Dan B.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am D.on't B. Welcome. So tonight, whenever you're watching this, so I downloaded this app on my iPad. I mean, I said no. Oh, but I know about the app here. It named DPM. So DPM is a beats app where you make your own beats for the persons them who love music and persons them who are producer, you know, like a practice and stuff. So I saw it and I said no, so if you're a person who love beats and love music, I have to do this. So I tried doing some it has different levels, so I think I'm at level 8 right now. I said no, so I'm gonna see me. I try and match up the beats up here, so I'm gonna see. And we're gonna have fun and enjoy the beats, the man thing. Yes, if you're a person who love music, and if certain music have certain beats and music, like, and certain music if you have bass. So if the bass not in the, if it's not strong enough in the music or in the song, it not work. So right now, right about now, today, right at this moment, we're gonna do this little thingy. So watch. So I'm screen recording so you guys can see on this side of the screen. Lessons. I mean, alone hate advertisements, pan games. Alright, ready. So lesson 8. We're at lesson 8 right now. So watch how my maths up that's up here now. Jesus! Oh. Not bad. Look how them are gonna add it now. Them are gonna add something else past something else. Lord Jesus. No. I'm gonna plug out the Bluetooth here because I don't like it. And so I don't like play certain games, you know. See it now, guys. Come again. Let's go. We can do better. Yeah. Serious? And if we can't turn off the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi anyway, stop it. Really, guys? Come, teach me again, please. Really, congratulations for that. I'm gonna try again. We can do better. 96, 96, 96, 96, 96. Them say, if you try, don't succeed. Try again. Next pact. Alright. Really? Oh, it finished. Lesson 9 finished. Alright, so we're at Urban Sunset. Let's see what Urban Sunset. I'm gonna think I'm gonna make this. Lesson 1 always easy. Why me put replay done? Lesson 2. That's my mom, guys. So she's there. Really? Wait, try again, guys. Try again. I'm gonna rush something, that's why I have to make it ready again. Urban Sunset not have much vibes. Congratulations, really? But I don't like Urban Sunset. It don't have much vibes. Me I tell you that. Let's try. Alright, I'm gonna try make my own now. Hey, see it I know. I'm gonna try make my own music. I'm gonna use but this. What is name this new tune? Alright, I'm serious. Ready? Oh. Alright. Run it again. Run one next one. Pixel Rhythm. I'm annoyed by them. I'm sorry. Them just. But I guess this is the only reason, and this is the only way I can play it with these ads coming up. Because if them not come up, I think I can play them. So. Already. Lessons. This is Pixel Rhythm, guys. Thank you. Let me press that. Next one. See, Tanya, I love when you combine them, man. Ready? No, not right now. Ready again. If you still want to comment first. I love when things hard, you know. Sita, no! What me say that for now? Jesus. Alright, sit down, guys. Now, ready again. Lad, how you go again? Hold on. Gang, gang, gang. Next one. Alright, next one, guys. Gang. Next one. Oi. Lord God. I sure can do better. Let's go again. Alright, tell us how I can do it. Lesson 10. Yeah. Ready. Alright. Next one. What is that? Alright, so for this time now, I'm going to see if I can make a rhythm pan them beat where they make me play. So I'm going to go back to the first one where they make me play, the first album I think. Because I like the album them better than them one where they make me play. So it's New Tone. And the lesson was, I'm going to go right back. Lesson 1 with only 2 stars. I'm going to play it again so we can get the 3 stars. Come here. Star. Alright, ready. Let me see if no more did I with no. Oh, so lesson 8 needs to improve. So lesson 1 and lesson 8, I'm gonna make a reading plan lesson 1 and lesson 8, knowing that they only have 2 stars. Let's go. Alright, lesson 2, simple. Ready? Sit down now. I'm gonna replay it now. Me name dummy, you never know, me to matter, me never want that, me name dummy. Next one, that was just a test run, guys, don't judge me. Next one. Lesson, I'm gonna get the stars for lesson 8 now. Okay. Ready. Sit down now. Do I think of you? No, I don't. We're gonna try it again. Last time. It is too loud, so I'm gonna turn it down. Ready? Do I think of you? No, I don't. No, I don't. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I do hope you enjoyed. This is just me checking out this app, and me think the app here kind of have a vibe-ish. Yeah, it have a vibe. So check it out if you like. I mean, download it for persons who are musicians and you feel bored and you feel like, you know, if you write 2 songs, I can just match it up with the beats up here, rather than going on YouTube and take it down people's music. Make it one beat and make your song on it. So thank you guys for watching. As I said, I probably write 1 song. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do for the next video. Probably not right after this video, but I'm gonna make a video when I create my own beat, and then I'm gonna make one music after that beat. Yeah. If you want to see that, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Just comment it down below if you want me to do that. That makes sense though. Yeah, I think so too. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's me, Don't Be Buzzing Out.